Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be explaining how to make a video discussion post. First, make sure you read the directions for the assignment and pay attention to the specifications. For example, how long should your video be? What do you need to talk about in your video? I recommend taking notes so that you're prepared for your video and you know what you're going to say. To begin your discussion post, click Reply below the directions. Be careful you do not click Reply below another post because that's for the comments. To make a video discussion post, you'll click on this icon right here. This is Canvas Studio. Actually, you can either click here or here. I'm going to click here. And now you wait. Then you click Record. You can do screen or webcam capture. Screen capture takes a picture of your computer screen, and webcam takes a picture of you talking. So here I am. When you're ready to begin recording, press Start Recording. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be talking about something very important to me. So you'll talk and do your video, and when you're finished, click Finish. You can play it back. Hi everyone! To see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can start over. If you like it, you can give it a title. And then click Save. And now you have to wait for the video to upload. When it finishes, click on it. You can allow comments or not allow the comments, that's up to you. And then click Embed. And you wait, and it'll appear here in the post. You can also type your discussion post. That's up to you, okay? But that's how you insert a video into a Canvas discussion. If you're having a hard time making a video, please contact me. Or you can just write your discussion post, okay? I look forward to seeing your videos. Thank you.